Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Mecha Break on Xbox. So all you have to do is power on your Xbox and get to the home page. And then from here, go to the search icon at the top of the screen and select it. And then all you have to do is type in Mecha Break. So type in Mecha Break. And as you type in, you should see the options from the search results. And this is the game we are looking for, Mecha Break. So all you have to do is highlight it and then select it. And then from here, you should see a brief description of what the game is all about. You can see the trailer if you want to. You can see a bit of description, and also there's a couple of screenshots that you can choose to see. Now, all you have to do to install it is tap or select install, or this can change to get. If it's your first time installing this game, you'll see this install button is set to get. And also the game is available on Game Pass. So if you have the Game Pass, you can simply select the install. And then now you can see the game is being installed on your Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S, whichever Xbox you have. Now you can check the progress of the download. So all you have to do on the home page, simply select My Games and Apps, and then scroll down and select Manage, Queue, and then select Queue. So from here you should see the progress of your download speed or the download progress of that particular game. So that's basically it on how to install Mecha Break on Xbox. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.